Tuambirie na chia Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia MUDAVAD arethiritwe akinambere kwakariria mantu mwanya makoneni na nthiguru yetu ya Kenya na munongo watuno ya nthiguru ya Kenya na nthiguru cia kiome arethiritwe kinyaka gitani waku akirana ara mujini wa Nairobi akithinambere kwa gitariria bura thirikari ithiritwe kirutanirie gutigira ati kamiti ndugamirithwo na mianka Iebc kuinambere kwigua ikigikawa kagitani katuthengeretie ithurano bia mwanka 2027.
Akiaria Prime Cabinet Secretary Musalia MUDAVAD ethiritwe akinambere kwiwa gitariria mantu kathumba mara thirikari nene yethiritwe akinambere kwiwa kibanganagia muno nkurukine ethiritwe akinambere kwiwa akiaragiria mantu mwanya mara nthiguru ya Kenya yethiritwe akinambere kwiwa gicugurika kinya nthiguru cia kigeni muno akiariria mantu maga nthiguru yetu ya Kenya. MUDAVAD ethiritwe agitariria na kuga thirikari ni kwibangania gutigira ati kamiti ndugamirithwo na mianka Iebc ni kuinambere kwigua ikithondekawa kengo gutigira ati ithurano bia mwanka 2027 bikuinambere kwa bikithithikaga na njira ira yagirite.
Kenyans being what they are, it becomes an Oliver Twist kind of situation. I've got it, but I still want more. So all I want to tell you is that we are on track. There'll be people still saying that we are not getting a fair deal or this should not happen. But rest assured, and some may even want to go to court again. And we need to know some of these could be genuine concerns, but equally, we must also appreciate that there are those who would always want to create an obstacle to delay a process. This process we can't afford to delay it again as Kenyans, and we would like your understanding on this, so that when you see the debates in the media, when you see people talking about it, I think what is important is let us keep our eye on the ball. Let us have the Iebc constituted. Let the Iebc now start its preparatory work for the 2027 elections, so that we are not caught on the wrong foot. So as you listen to them, please bear in mind that it is our resolve that the Iebc is constituted and it's put in place to prepare the country for proper democratic processes. We in Kenya have always had our elections in the cycle that it's supposed to be, every 5 years, without fail, since we got independence. And we have no reason to set ourselves up for failure in 2027.
Koroki Musalia nethiritwe akinambere kwiwa akariria mantu makonenie ngwatano ya EAC na SADC, mantu makonenie nthiguru ya Kenya na nthiguru ya Sudan, na kinya mantu makonenie na Haiti.
As you are all aware, there's been the conversation that has merged the process. The EAC SADC process is now unified. This process has been briefed also to the AU. In the briefing in Addis, it was also done in the presence of the Secretary General of the United Nations. We lost 2 of our personnel to the violence in Haiti. It's most unfortunate, but we are still committed, working within the framework of the UN resolutions, to continue with this support. Of course, the term of the mission should end in September this year. They're taking certain activities, and we as Kenya sent a special envoy, the Right Honorable Raila Odinga, he was accepted there, but he was not allowed to see Riek Machar, to maybe hear a version from his end. We were destined as ministers of foreign affairs earlier to also go there to have a conversation as IGAD